Say, Kitty, and what a day.
What a day. What? Day?
What?
A day.
Hi, my name is Will Farrell.
Hello, my name is Wanda Sykes.
Hi, my name is Mark Maron. My name is Nick Offerman.
Megan Malone.
Jack Shepard. Hi, my name's Bill Burr.
Hi, my name is Kristen Bell, and I feel supercharged about being Conan O'Brien's friend.
Conan O'Brien needs a friend. It sounds like a joke, but it's not a joke. And I'm going to have friends, and it'll be cool to have some celebrity friends. And that's what this podcast is all about. Now, I'm not doing this completely by myself. I have my trusty assistant, Sona Movsesian. Sona, what do you think of this? Is this a good idea, do you think?
Yeah, but I'm just wondering why you don't make friends the normal way by just being nice and friendly to people.
The nice, friendly is a last alternative. If I run out of every other option, I'll start being nice and having people over to dinner. You know, and you know me, I'm not always an easy person.
No.
Well, just take a minute.
Not nice. I think that just being nice to people might be easier than having a podcast. So you should maybe try being nice.
But here's the advantage of the podcast. We can sell ad time.
So you really just want to make a little bit of money.
What I want is to make friends, but have commercials jammed in there. You know, I have a lavish personal lifestyle.
Very lavish.
And so, if you could make friends and sell mattresses at the same time, why would you not do that? Does that make sense?
No.
Listen, these are people that would be amazing friends, in my opinion. These are people I love, I admire. I think anybody listening would want to be friends with these people. Some of the upcoming guests include Mark and Maron. Difficult, but still. I know the game. You betrayed me. Listen, you got Maron, the TV show.
Yeah.
That wasn't enough for you. Then Glow.
Right.
Okay?
Yeah.
You have 2 TV shows and a podcast.
Yeah.
That is why I'm starting this podcast.
Out of spite.
Why should you have 2 TV shows and a podcast
yeah.
and me just a TV show?
Yeah. No, I get that. And I think, checkmate, I guess.
Yeah, I guess I win this round, don't I, buddy?
I guess. You got in at the right time. There's only 90,000 podcasts.
Is that true? I was told there were very few of these. Wanda Sykes. Everyone loves Wanda Sykes. You can tell them a 911 call. Yeah. You can just listen to the timbre of their voice.
And I go, oh man, yeah, he did that. What